Did you know that we throw away a huge amount of food? It's true. But hey, here's the good news. We can actually turn this trash into treasure. Our food scraps have magic inside. They can become what gardeners call black gold. This black gold is called compost, and it helps plants grow big and strong. Instead of tossing out fruit peels, eggshells, and coffee grounds, we can compost them. Composting is kind of like recycling, but for nature. It turns kitchen scraps into something amazing for our gardens. Compost is like a superfood for your garden. It's packed with nutrients that help plants grow healthy and strong. When we add compost to the soil, it's like giving our plants a vitamin boost. Compost also helps the soil hold water better, which is super important, especially in hot weather. And get this, compost creates a happy home for helpful creatures in the soil. These tiny helpers break down the compost even more, making the soil an even healthier place for plants to grow. You don't need a big backyard to compost. Nope, you can compost even in a small apartment. All you really need is a container and some kitchen scraps. Start with a layer of brown stuff, like dried leaves or shredded paper. Then add a layer of green stuff, like fruit peels and veggie scraps. Just remember, avoid adding meat, dairy, or oily foods to your compost. Those can attract pests and, well, make your compost kind of smelly. Give your compost a turn every week or so to let it breathe. After a few months, you'll have beautiful, rich compost to add to your garden. Even the best compost piles can hit a few bumps along the way. But don't worry, most problems have simple fixes. If your compost smells bad, like rotten eggs, it's probably too wet or has too many greens, add more browns, like cardboard or dry leaves, and give it a good mix to let air in. Notice fruit flies or pests. That usually means food scraps are exposed. Bury fresh scraps under a layer of browns, and always keep your compost covered. Is your compost just sitting there, not breaking down? It might be too dry or not getting enough air. Sprinkle a little water, like a wrung out sponge, and turn it more often to boost decomposition. A good compost pile is all about balance. Equal parts greens and browns, a bit of moisture, and regular turning. Get that right, and nature will do the rest. Gap 3s. Now that your compost is thriving, let's talk about what to do with it next. Not everyone has a big backyard, and that's okay. Composting can work in almost any space, even a tiny apartment. Got a balcony? Let's get creative. Try a compact tumbler or a stackable worm bin. These space-saving options keep things tidy and odor-free. No balcony? No problem. A plastic storage bin under your sink works too. Just drill holes for airflow, add your greens and browns, and let nature do the rest. If home composting feels like too much, check your community. Many cities offer curbside pickup or drop-off sites at farmers markets. Or join a neighborhood compost co-op. Share the bins and the compost. No program nearby. Start one with friends, gardens, or schools. A few passionate people can make a big impact. Whether it's a bin on your balcony or a shared pile down the street, composting is for everyone, everywhere. Gap 3s. Now let's take all that rich compost and put it to good use. Growing your own food is such a rewarding experience. It's good for you, and it's good for the planet too. When you eat something you grew yourself, you know exactly where it came from. Plus, growing your own food helps cut down on food waste and supports the environment. So, Let's turn our kitchen scraps into garden gold. Let's compost and grow our own food. And let's make our planet and ourselves a whole lot healthier and happier.